Hello guys, welcome back. So I'm here to show you on how to install a script in Flutter using Android Studio. So let's go to our link to purchase the script, which is here. So I'm going to show you on how to install this CarLink, which is a car rental booking app, rent a car, and also taxi and self-day of car renting. So you can purchase the script here. So after the script has been purchased, I have my folder here, which is the car link here. So I'm going to use my Android Studio. I'm going to open my Android Studio now to show you on how to install it. So let's come here to my Android Studio, come to file, come to open, then go to desktop. The folder is on my desktop. As you can see, this is my desktop. Then I'm going to slash and car. This is the script here. Then click on OK. So as you can see, this is the script. So the first thing I'm going to do is to run the flutter-book.get. Flutter-book.get. So in your terminal, open your terminal and type in this command. So after this command has been inputted, click on enter to resolve the dependencies. You can see. So after the dependency has been resolved, then we can run our code. So while running the code, I'm going to show you on how to install the Flutter-based of this script. So let's go to our Chrome, create another tab, our console is loading. So after loading, so our script, a project has been created. Our project has been created, which is CarLink. I've created it already, so you can click on it. So after clicking on it, I'm going to go to my authentication. I'm going to go to sign in method. So I'm going to add these providers. I've added this provider, this email or password provider, from provider log folder. To do that, come to this add new provider, and then you can enable it. You can see it has been enabled here. So let's go back. So I'm going to go to my project setting to add the fingerprint. As you can see, we need our SHA1 and SHA256. So for the successful upload to Play Store, so we need these requirements. To get that, go to our Android Studio in our terminal. So you can click on save the Android, type in save the Android to go to our Android folder or Android directory. Then you can click on slash sign in report. So then click on enter. So After clicking enter, you are going to get your SHA. I'm going to get your SHA1 and SH5 says, then we can input it here, but it's private to me here. I'm not going to do that here. So after you've gotten your key, then you can put it, you can sign your fingerprint, and after then our project is already set up. Then we can use our authentication to sign up both the normal email and password, or using phone to verify, and then our Google authentication to use Google authentication to sign in. So after then, let's view our project. As you can see, our project is live now. So I'm displaying my project using my physical device. Then let me clone my physical device on my system. You can see this is our physical device. You can see this is our app. Our app has successfully been launched. So subscribe and like this video. You can get started or skip here. As you can see, let's click on get started. So you can, this is our sign in page. So also have the sign up page for the new users, so you can go sign in and then sign up. To sign up, come here, input your details, full name, input my full name, my email, my phone number, my phone number. So I'm in Nigeria. I'm going to change my country to Nigeria. You can see this is Nigeria. I can create a password. And then I can sign up. So to sign up, this is the process. And after you have signed up, it's going to verify you, and you can come here to sign in. So after the successful sign up and sign in, then we're going to take you on into the app. So as you can see, the script has been launched and has been successfully been implemented. So to hire us, check the second section. There's a